Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today's video is all about making flax seeds powder at home that would easily last for a few weeks. To start with the process, you need to heat up a frying pan or kadhai as per your preference. We need to dry roast the seeds before making the powder. Take the required quantity of seeds and roast them for about 3 to 4 minutes in low flame. Just like peanuts, you may see and hear few of the seeds bursting towards end. And this is the time when you know that the seeds are properly roasted. You may even notice a nice roasted scent coming from the seeds once they are properly cooked. These were the only 2 seeds that bursted completely. And for the remaining seeds, it's difficult to figure out that they bursted. Let the seeds cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes and then proceed with making the powder. You may even store the roasted seeds and consume them as a whole. But powder form is claimed to be more effective as far as the health benefits of these seeds are concerned. Flax seeds come with amazing health benefits. I have also made a separate video on the health benefits of these tiny little seeds. So make sure to check that out as well by clicking on the link given in the description box below. To make the powder, take the required quantity of roasted flax seeds and grind it in the mixing jar. I am using the smallest jar of my mixer grinder as it is very good for making dry powder. After about 1 minute of grinding, this is how the flax powder looks like. Store this powder in an airtight container and you can easily use it for about 2 weeks. So that was all for this video. I hope it was informative and useful for you. Do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.